Hey guys, I'm packing a lunch for us to take on the road because I've got to take my two littles to go get my two bigs to get them to ortho. And when we're in a vehicle, we need snacks. No matter how full they are, they always want more snacks. So I thought, I'm packing this stuff, like why don't I show them what I'm doing as I'm prepping some of my kitchen solutions. So come aboard. I first wanted to talk to you guys about this veggie scrub cloth. So I'm going to cut up some carrots into some carrot sticks for the road, and right away my go-to is to grab the veggie scrub cloth. This is one of our only cloths that does not have the backlock technology in it, so you'll notice above the word Norwex it doesn't say backlock, which means there's no microsilver in here, which means you don't have to worry if this ends up sitting in your sink and your husband squirts in some Dawn and dish soap, and it's not going to affect the microfiber within the cloth. So that is good to know. It has a rough, super scratchy side, and then a softer side that people say is good for polishing if you're someone who wants to polish their apples so they look nice and shiny before guests come over, when we're allowed guests to come over. That's the side for you. I always use this rough, scratchy side, and I will show you why. This carrot, albeit an organic carrot, there are a lot of nutrients in the skin that I want to maintain and keep while we're eating them, but this roughness isn't exactly appealing to the taste buds or the sensory children. So this veggie scrub cloth is essentially going to peel this carrot without needing a peeler and without losing those like essential nutrients within the skin. If this was something like a cucumber, 70% of our produce is covered in wax. They do this to elongate shelf life. Makes sense, except I don't want myself or my family consuming wax or the stuff that's trapped under that wax, whether it's fecal matter and manure, germs, bugs, pesticides, whatever. I don't want my family consuming that. So this will also cut through the wax. Like I'll be doing this with my cucumbers and I'll see little balls of wax on it just peeling off. So it will cut through the wax as well. But I like showing on the carrot because carrots and potatoes have the most dramatic effect. So check this out. I will do one side of this carrot. I'll do the thicker end so it's easier for me to hold. One side of the carrot or one section of the carrot, and you will see. It's amazing. Look at that. Just like that. Veggie cloth. So I will go through and do my whole carrot like this. And I'm not worried about peeler. I can get the kids to do it. And it's just literally rubbing all that roughness off of the skin. So fantastic. I'm gonna do this other half while I talk to you. I'm also gonna show you a potato because I have found that if I do this with my potatoes, I can mash them in my mixer and the skin is still there, but it's soft enough that the kids aren't like, oh, there's skin in my mashed potatoes. It kind of hides itself in there. Ta-da! Check out that nice orange ready to chop up carrot. And I'm just gonna go ahead and chop them for you because I can also tell you that I'm chopping them on this cutting board, and our cutting boards are very expensive, but I do a ton of chopping, as I'm sure most of you do, but being home all day with the kids and stuff, like I'm always chopping, whether it's cheese or kielbasa or veggies like cucumbers galore, apple slices, like I'm always chopping. I have been using this cutting board for over a year and there isn't a single scratch in it. Now, you might be thinking, well, who cares? I don't care if my cutting board has scratches in it. I'm not that picky. It's not about aesthetics. It's about what gets stuck in those scratches. So things like bacteria and stuff from your meat, it's harder to clean them out of those scratched grooves in your cutting board. Just something to think of. So this has not scratched in a year. I'm also using one of our food storage containers, which I absolutely love. I'm actually using two of them. Hang on, I'll show you my oranges one. So this one is, I believe it's the large size, and this is the extra small. And then we also have an extra large size, which also I love this aspect, how it can shrink down. So there's a little vent in the top that allows air to come in and out. So if, let's say you filled this up with veggies. And then as you're about to put them back in the fridge, because the kids didn't eat them all, there's only about half in here. You can, even with the lid on it, I'll show you. Gotta angle you guys down. With the lid on it, you can shrink it down. You pull this up, you hear the air going through it. Shrink it down, pop that back in, and now it's half the size. So it might have some peppers on there, in there. I've done this with like pizza slices or fish, and it just fits so much nicer in your fridge. So I'm currently using the size small for my carrot sticks and the large for my oranges. It's a lot, it looks like a lot of oranges. It's only 2 oranges. But I'm gonna pop them in this lunch bag, and check it out. Another thing that I must tell you is whenever we are on the go, I have these travel and viral cloths, okay? These are an absolute game changer, lifesaver. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet them in my sink, and I'm gonna take these with me. I'm gonna put them in the front of this lunch bag, not soaked, but just wet. And these are for our inevitable sticky fingers, messy faces. I've got yogurt in there. I'm being super brave. Reminds me, I gotta grab spoons. I'm being super brave in packing yogurt, but these are fantastic for on the go. Right now, Norwex is clearing out certain colors. They brought out all new colors in January, and so they have some old colors that they're getting rid of. So I'm just gonna slip these in the front of this bag here. Zip it up first. So they're getting rid of their old colors. So right now you can get 5 of these for $22.99. That's incredible. Those, you can use one of those minis to clean your entire bathroom, to clean your entire main floor if you wanted to go around and do all of your windows with that one cloth. It's fantastic. I love them. I use them all the time. So yeah, so there's that quick guide there. Veggie. Oh yeah, I promised you the potato. So check this out. Watch this like dirty potato, not peeled potato. And I'm just gonna rub a little spot. Look at that. Let's see if I can make it a little more dramatic, not at that weird crack that I'm gonna have to cut off. Look. How incredible is that? And that's soft. So the nutrients within the skin is still in there, but the roughness is gone, so it's easy to mash. So da-da versus da-da. It's pretty fantastic. All right, so that's the veggie scrub cloth. It is $14.99, and I use it constantly on carrots. When I do potatoes, I do it, but like daily on carrots, cucumbers, and apples. And that's that guy. It just hangs on my kitchen cards. And then I wanted to talk to you guys about the counter cloths. So these are my absolute like favorites for wiping down counters, wiping down kids' faces, wiping down their hands, wiping down the tables. And there's a couple reasons why I love them. 1, I love the size. 2, I love how absorbent they are. They hold a 1/4 cup in this little space. They come in wonderful colors, and the texture really allows them to grab stuff. So we eat a lot of toast English muffins and stuff. I'm gonna get this guy wet. I don't know why I could have used my already used one, but I wanted to show you guys it dry. But watch as I wipe this counter down. First of all, I'm gonna use it just to wipe off all this, like whatever this is, from my fruit and some veggies. That's wiped off. But then all that's left on the counter, I love how it fits in my hand. And I just do a wipe all around, and the nubby texture of the counter cloth really grabs. So this guy replaces paper towel on the regular, like knitted dishcloths that you might be using, or cotton dishcloths that you might be using to wipe down your counters. Napkins, it replaces napkins. Like we use these at the table because they come in so many different colors. The kids will just pick one, and they know that that's their cloth, that's their napkin, and they take it to the table. So they get used all the time. So look at what this just grabbed. We've got like some skin, tons of crumbs, all of that. They are amazing. And like I said, they hold a 1/4 cup of water. Then you just take it to the sink, and you do the par method. Press, agitate, rinse thoroughly, and it's ready to go again. We call these our fingertip towels. Guys, I need a few minutes. Could you go play in the other room? Thank you. Sure, that's fine. We call them our fingertip towels. If we're having like a movie night with popcorn, we'll have these. We'll each have our own one of these wet. You can give them to your kids dry, wrapped around a frozen yogurt tube or a freezy. And it's like a little handy hand thingy. You can pop these in with your produce. After you've rinsed off your berries, you can pop it in with those, put it into your bag of spinach or your bag of lettuce, dry, and it will actually absorb and keep the produce fresher longer. They are awesome. They are my go-to. Now, there's something very similar in what it does called the kitchen cloth. So again, I'm here to help explain the difference in what they would substitute. So with regards to the veggie scrub cloth, I don't really know another cloth that would substitute. That's just a really good bonus guy to have in your home to help sort of keep your produce as healthy as possible and all that kind of thing, and to avoid peeling and to get your kids to peel without, you know, worrying about them cutting their fingers off. But the counter cloth and this kitchen cloth, it's called, are replacements for paper towels, J-cloths, and things that you would use to wipe down your tables and counters or soak up spills. So Jacqueline, you were saying you still go to paper towels for your spills with your boy. I'm just here to let you know these are more absorbent than paper towel. They hold the water, the whatever the spill, the coffee, the wine, the orange juice in them until you get to the sink to wring it out. And once you wash it out, hang it up to dry. It's designed, see how if I hold this up behind me, you can see the light through it. So that's designed to allow air to flow through the cloth quicker so it dries faster. And they dry super quickly, and they come in two different styles. We have two colors that come in this textured, it's called a textured kitchen cloth, which has like an EnviroCloth weave on one side and a tight diamond weave on the other. So if you want something a little grippier, kind of like my counter cloths, it'll grip and grab crumbs. It gives you kind of like scrubbing power if you're using this to clean up like after spaghetti or something and you have those like the sauce splatter all over the stove. This guy is great for that. So is the netted dishcloth. But if there's also what's just the regular kitchen cloth, which has this like row kind of weave design, and they come in such a wide variety of colors. I will show you this guy. You love your counter cloths. Yes, Carolyn, they are just honestly so fantastic. But check this out. So I have a full half cup of water. So we drink our juice, our water, well, we don't drink juice actually, but we drink our water or our milk in mason jars. So for a kid, that's a lot, right? That's a pretty good, that's a decent amount. That's probably what they're gonna spill. And I'm gonna pour that full half cup into this bowl to show you guys. And if I take this netted dishcloth, Doc, come. Good boy. Sorry, dog was running after the FedEx guy. That means Norwex has arrived. But I'm popping them in this bowl here that you can see. And it's going to absorb all of that fluid. There's actually some dry spots. I'm just going to move it around. So if that cup spilled that water that your child, you did, your dog did, whatever, spilled that full half a cup of water out onto the floor, this will grab it, trap it, dry it up. And my favorite part, watch this. Holds it. It's not dripping. You're not running to the sink with like a stream of milk drips behind you. It's holding it all in there until you get to the sink. And ta-da. Ready to go again. It's fantastic. So, and the bowl is empty. No water in the bowl. I forgot to show you that part. So here's what I like to tell people. I have all of the things because I'm a consultant and Norwex is insanely generous to us consultants, and I have more stuff than I know what to do with. So I am spoiled, and I have kitchen cloths that I hang up on my kitchen cart. I have counter cloths in a house. I have counter cloths hanging up. I have all of the things. But these two, the counter cloth and the kitchen cloth, are more or less interchangeable. My mom just has the kitchen cloth. She's used to having the bigger size. So I'll show you a size comparison. She's used to that size in her hand. That's what she's grown up with. That's what she likes. She'll wipe my kids' faces off with this. She'll wipe the table off, the counters off, whatever with this. I prefer the counter cloth, but I do love having these for the spills. That being said, The kitchen cloths also have matching kitchen towels, which hold like 2 cups of water. 2 cups. So when there's a big spill, I just grab one of these and it soaks the full 2 cups up. That's a lot of liquid. So those are sort of the differences between the two. These you can buy on their own. That's the other thing. You could buy just one and try it and see if you like it. They also come in a trio, 3 of them for $31.99. I believe that's the right price. These come in a trio, 3 of them for $26.99. However, right now in the warehouse sale, and I can't guarantee stock, but because once they're out, but they're selling off 6 countercloths in this little house as a box set. So 6 cloths in the house for $56.99. Yes, that's right, 56. There's regularly $68.99 for 6 cloths in a house, but it is absolutely 100% worth every penny, even at the full pop. You get different color options as well with the box set, but you can get just 3 of them for $26.99, and there are a few different color schemes you could go with for those. All right, so goodbye paper towels, goodbye J-cloths, goodbye stinky wiping down counters and tablecloth, you know, those cottony ones, and hello absorption. Hello just water to clean all those things. Hello happy planet. And because of the backlock technology in these two, you rinse them out, you hang them up, they purify as they dry, and they're good to go again. I love it. And as you saw in the chicken test, our microfiber does not transfer bacteria. So if you've just wiped down your table and you've given this a rinse, you can then wipe off your kid's sticky chocolate pudding face, and you're not worried about, ew, that gross cloth just touched them. They also don't stink. Like my counter cloth that has been in use for the past 5 days, it has a little actually bit of a peanut butter smell right now. But that's it. And that's probably because I just used it to wipe up the peanut butter mess from my kid made. So they don't have a nasty stink, which is lovely. So those are the 3 cloths I wanted to talk to you about this morning. I will be back on later today to talk to you about the netted dishcloth, and I apologize in advance because after that demo, you're gonna want one. You're gonna understand why our hostesses wanted the dishcloth and the dishwashing liquid as a package, because oh man. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you later on.